morning students. In previous video we have finished our exercise 2.1 up to question number 4. Now from fifth question we will take revision. We are revising, we have already finished this chapter. Okay? So now fifth question, in this one A, C and the last one I will do. Then after that we will proceed for the next one. Okay? Now see question number A. A is 4 power 2 multiplied by 4 power minus 3 is given. Okay? Can you use here law of exponent? So law of exponent when you will use, see here bases are same. If base are same, power will be added in multiplication. So this will be equal to 4 power 2 plus minus 3 as it is given by. So this will be equal to 4 power 2 plus minus 3 will be equal to 4 power minus 1. As in question it is given, just show your result in power notation and that should be positive. Right? So this will be equal to 4 power minus 1. Can you write this one? 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 will be the solution. Next one is this question. Next question is this one. 2 power minus 7. Then divide by 2 power minus 10. Multiply by 2 power 5 with minus 10, right? So this will be equal to, here also you can see bases are same. If base are same, you can take common base and power will be subtracted because of this sign. So it is minus sign as it is, minus subtract minus 10, right? Minus 10 we will subtract. Are you getting? Just subtract from this one to this one. This will be equal to 2 power minus 7 minus minus plus 10. Can you write like this plus 10? So this will be equal to minus 7 plus 10 is equal to minus 3. Sorry, plus 3. So this will be equal to plus 3. So this is positive exponent or not? So can you write like this? 2 power 3. We have to write our answer in power notation only, and power notation should be positive. This is positive only, like this we will apply. Next one. Last question is 1 upon 5 power minus 2 whole power 3. This is question number G. Right? 1 upon 5 power minus 2. Correct? And whole power 3. Right? Power on power. If it is given. What to do? Can we use law of exponent here? So 1 upon 5 power 2, this 3 will come on this one or not? This will be 5 power 2 power 3, right? M power n. So here what will come? 1 upon 5 power minus 2, and here this 3 and here separately 3 we will use, right? A power m whole power n, so mn will come. So in numerator 1 as it is, 2 3 are 5 power minus 6. Minus 6 will come. Next one, this will be equal to, this is 5 power minus 6. If you will take this one in numerator, so sign will change or not? So this will be equal to 5 power plus 6 only. And this is your solution. No need to write here 1 in denominator. Okay? This is the way to solve. Easy? Next question is number 6. And the question is find the value of. We have to find the value. How to find value? See, everyone watch it carefully and then may solve it. That question number 6 is find the value of, right? Find it. Okay. In this one, first question I am going to write here. Question number A is 1 upon 3 power 5 plus 2 minus 7. Right? Second question is given 3 power 0 B. Writing and 1 by 1 I will solve. 3 power 0 multiplied by minus 2 power 0 plus 7 power 0, right? And similarly this last question D, last one is D, and D is 5 multiplied by 8 power 0 plus 4 power 0, this is given. Okay, now how to solve these problems? Let us see. 1 upon 3 power 5 plus 2 minus 7. What will come? See, this will be equal to 1 upon 3 as it is. Now we will talk about power 5 plus 2 equal 7. So this will be equal to 7 minus 7. So here can we say 1 upon 3 power 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. And if power is 0 of any number, the value will be equal to 1, right? So your value will be equal to 1, so this finally will be equal to 1 only. Okay, if we are talking about this one, okay, this will be equal to 3 power 0 means 1 only, multiplied by minus 2 power 0, this is also 1, 7 power 0, this is also 1. Okay, so now this will be equal to 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to, so 1 multiplied by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 equal 2. Simple. Next one, you can see here also this D. So 5 multiplied by 8 power 0. So can you write here 5 multiplied by first solve bracket. Okay, so first solve bracket, 8 power 0 is equal to 1. Plus 4 power 0 is equal to 1. This will be equal to 1 plus 1 equal 2. So 2 and 5 to the 10. This is the solution. Are you getting all? This is very easy to solve. The next question number is 7. And 7 is simplify. Right? Hope you understood all these things. If there is any problem, repeat the same video. Watch it again and you may ask me later also. Okay, number 7 is simplify. Simplify. What to simplify here? See, number 1 question I'm going to write here A. A is minus 3 upon 5 whole power 2, correct? And divide by minus 3 upon 5 whole power minus 1. Right? This is the question. One more question I am taking, that I will take C. Okay? And the C is 1 upon 2 whole power minus 1 in big bracket. Small bracket is there. That is 1 upon 2 whole power minus 1 multiplied by minus 8 whole power minus 1, and in big bracket the power is minus 2. This one we are going to solve. Right? How to solve? First see this one, number E. This will be equal to, see, minus 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Both are same. If bases are same, so power will be subtracted in division. So power subtracted, minus 3 upon 5, common base or same base we have taken here. This 2 minus this one minus 1. Right? So this will be equal to 3 upon 5 as it is, and this minus minus plus, so 2 plus 1 will be there. Right? So this will be equal to minus 3 upon 5 power 3. Right? So we have to write this one 3 times. So this will be equal to minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 5. Right? Can you write it? This one multiplied by minus 3 upon 5. Now see, if it is divisible, you may divide, otherwise multiply. 3 3 are 9 and 9 3 are 27 with negative sign because it's odd number. Divide by, what will come here? This 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, so here 125 will come. Right? Finish. This much only we have to do, and this is the simplification. Next part is this one. This will be equal to, in big bracket, C, minus 1 upon 2, sorry 1 upon 2, and this one is minus 8. So can you take reciprocal, and this is product only given, na? Yes. 1 upon 2 and minus power is there. So can we take reciprocal of the same? Yes, we can take reciprocal. How we will take? See everyone. 1 upon 2 will become 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 means 2 only, and power will be plus 1. Reciprocal we are taking. Multiply by this minus 8 power minus 1. So this will be equal to minus 1 upon 8. Reciprocal we have taken, and power will be plus 1. And plus 1 we will write, or don't write, doesn't matter. Okay, and whole power is minus 2. First solve in bracket. This will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1 upon 8. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 1 1 ja 1. This will be equal to minus 1 upon 4. And whole power is minus 2. Is it? Now this minus 2 is there. We have to write here positive exponent. So for the same, what we will do? Just take reciprocal of the same. This will be minus 4 upon 1, and power will be equal to minus plus 2. Because we have taken reciprocal, sign will change. Now this minus 4 we have to write 2 times. So minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, as we know, even number power is there, so minus minus plus will be there, and 4 4 ja 16. Got it? This is the solution. Okay, let's take one more question. Similar question we will take, and we are going to take now question number E. Okay, E we will do. Next, question number E is, watch it carefully everyone. 2 upon 5 power 2. Okay, this one, and in big bracket this is minus 1. Bracket is also there. Okay. Next, multiply by 1 upon 3 power 2. This is whole square. And multiply by 1 upon 9 power minus 2. And then multiply by 1 upon 25. Correct? Okay. Now solve the same. How to solve? See everyone carefully. 2 upon 5 power 2. Can we write here 2 times? So this will be equal to 2 to the 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5, and outside one power is minus 1. We have to take reciprocal. Right? Multiply here 1 upon 3 power 2. So you can take here 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3. Can you write here 2 times? You can write or not? Yes. 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. This one 2 times you can write. Then multiply by, one more thing is there, 1 upon 9. This is minus 2. Can we take reciprocal of the same? So this will be equal to 9 upon 1 power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 25. Done? Next one, this will be equal to 2 to the 4, 5 5 is 25. Before that, yes, can we take reciprocal because of this minus power? So this will be equal to 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. Is the exponent now there? Now this will be equal to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by this one 9 upon 1 multiplied by 9 upon 1 multiplied 1 upon 25. Can you write like this? Now next will be equal to 5. देखो जो divisible है just divide the same. If it is not divisible just write the same. So here this is divisible by 25 na? 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. So here 5 times it will go or not? This is divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and this 3 to 3 cancel. Anything left? No. Here in numerator 1 1 1 1 1 and this one is 3. Oh sorry 9. So this is 9 in numerator. In denominator 2 multiplied by 2. 1 1 1 1 and 1. So this will be equal to 9 upon 4. You can change into mixed fraction also if it is improper fraction, otherwise leave as it is. Are you getting? It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. You may do easily. These were the questions. I think this much enough. You can do. See, last one more I am doing. That is G. Question number G. I watch it also carefully. Okay, G. G is one big bracket is there. First of all, 5 upon 6 power 2. 5 upon 6 whole power 2. After that, middle bracket is there, and on this one power is minus 1. After that, big bracket is there, and the power is minus 3. Okay, power is minus 3. So these things are given. And divide by, more thing is there, divide by 5 upon 6 power minus 5. Yes. This last question I will do of this question number 7. How to solve this one? One by one you may solve. This is 5 upon 6 now. If it is 5 upon 6, power 2 will be there, right? First of all, power on power. Do you multiply all the powers? Yes, you can multiply. See, this we have one log exponent a power m power n whole power to power. On power is there, you can write here a power m multiplied by n, right? So your power, this is a power m, n and l, power on power. So can you write this one is equal to 5 upon 6 multiplied by power is 2 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 3, power on power. Okay, divide by, this is 5 upon 6 all power minus 5, right? So this will be equal to 5 upon 6 power, so minus minus plus will come. 2 1 is 2 and 2 3 is 6. So 5 upon 6 power will be plus 6 and divide by 5 upon 6 power will be minus 5. Right? Now in division power will be subtracted. So this will be equal to 5 upon 6. What will come? 6 minus 5. This will be equal to 6 minus 5. We have subtracted because of this division sign, so this will be equal to 5 upon 6 power minus minus plus 6 plus 5 equal 11. This is only a one. You may write like this. Okay. So this much only we will do, and the next we have done up to 8. Now question number 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 we will do in next part. In next video it will come. So solve them properly, do your practice properly. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in next video. Till bye.